Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Oppo Reno 8T. And to do this you will need to open the settings. Now find the gestures and motions, which should be in additional settings. Here it is. We need to allow a few things. And now let's check how all of them work. So there's a screen of gestures. If you enable it, there's a whole new list, and I'm gonna cover them at the end of the video. First, let's go through all of them right here. There's swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, so make sure that it's enabled, and if you do it like that, you'll be able to make a screenshot. Now, you can also touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot, so you can draw amount of a screenshot like that. Next is raise to wake, and if you enable it and lock your device, then pick it up with a grip. It should wake up the screen without touching or pressing power key. Next is lift to ear to answer a call. I can't show you exactly how it works, but it should perform like that. You get a phone call, you pick up your phone and then lift it to your ear, and it should answer a call without pressing any buttons. Auto switch to receiver. Automatically switch to receiver when you lift your phone to your ear, and this works kind of like the setting above, but it will automatically always answer these calls. Flip to mute incoming calls. Now if you place your phone upside down like that, you'll enter something like do not disturb mode, and all ringtones and messages will be muted. Now, as I promised, we're gonna cover screen of gestures as well. So here we have it. Now double tap to wake or turn off screen, and it works like that. So you lock your phone, then double tap, and you should be able to wake up your screen. Next one is draw. I'm gonna cover a few functions in one go. So draw an O to open camera, and draw V to turn on or off a flashlight. And there's also music control. So let's enable all of them. And then if we lock our phone, we can draw an O to open camera, like that. Draw V to turn on flashlight. It also disables the flashlight if you perform it second time. And last one was a music control, so you can control music by drawing different motions. Like to skip, you need to draw arrow to the right. To go to previous track, draw arrow to the left. If you want to stop music, draw a pause. If you want to play it, then draw the pause again. Now let's check the last option, which is quick functions with different gestures. So depending on what you want to do, for example, draw arrow up to either launch the camera. I think there was a camera there, no calculator. You can launch calculator with drawing arrow pointing up, or choose anything else to basically what this function does. So for example, let's open other app. So we want to change from calculator to Google Play Store. Now if we try to draw it right here on the screen, it might not work, probably won't. Yeah, but if we lock our phone and then wake it up, draw this V, or actually maybe not even like that. It should open the Google Play Store, but for some reason it doesn't work. It does everything else. Let's open it again, and yeah, as you can see, it doesn't work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.